and then 0x over here. Now this, first to first, minus 2x cube and x square. So minus 2x, right? That is the quotient. So minus 2x cube over here, then multiply everything with this quotient. Minus into minus 4x square, and then 5 to the 10x, minus 10x. Then change the signatures because it's a minus. Division means minus is minus over here. I have not written, but it means it's minus. So plus plus plus. This 2x cube gets cancelled. What remains is this now. P minus 5 plus 4. So it becomes P minus 1 into x square as it is. Then 0 plus 10x, right? So 10x over here and q as it is. So what next? Now p minus 1 into x square, right? So put again same logic. X square can get cancelled and p minus 1 remains. So p minus 1 over here in the quotient. Now everything multiply by p minus 1. So it becomes p minus 1 x square, and here 2p minus 1 into x, then here 5 into p minus 1. Now subtract, change the sign, minus minus minus. So first p minus 1 x square goes off, then this 4, what is this next, 10, and this, see here 10 minus 2p minus 2, right, plus 2, sorry, 10 minus 2p, so 10 minus 2p plus 2, right, because minus sign over here, and here q minus 5p plus 5. Okay, now what is given? That this divisor is a factor of this dividend. It means remainder should be 0. Now if remainder is 0, then this whole expression should be 0, right? What does it mean? 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 minus 2p, it should be 0 then, correct? So 12 minus, it is given over there that these are the factors. This is a factor, divisor is a factor of dividend. So this is compulsorily 0. So 12 minus 2p equals to 0. Solve this. 12 equals to 2p, p equals to 6. Okay. Now, to watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.